Cider supports converting the contents of PDF file into a different language while meticulously preserving the original layout, design, and formatting of the document, ensuring that the translated version mirrors the initial presentation and structure. Open Cider and navigate to the Translate page. Click the PDF button at the bottom, which will open a new PDF Translate web page. Click the Upload box and upload a PDF file. Wait for Cider to analyze and process the PDF file, after which a new page will appear. You'll find the original PDF on the left side and the translated PDF on the right side. You can click the button between the two documents to have Cider use AI to make the translated document's layout and formatting precisely match the source document, resulting in a neater and more visually appealing appearance.